Okay, so in this exercise, right, we're supposed to condense or rewrite um, a logarithm expression that has two or three or four logarithms as a single logarithm. And the way you guys do this is by using the same order that we had before. So first we're gonna be looking for if we can use the power rule. If not, then we move on to the quotient rule, and last we're gonna apply the product rule. Now this is like PEMDAS in this way. Even though this is the order for applying the logarithmic rules, is you always move from left to right. And so let me show you part A so you can see this. Notice that for part A, there is we don't have to use the power rule because there's not a number multiplying the logs. So for part A, we only have to use either the quotient rule or the product rule, and we do them in this way. Moving from left to right, notice this connecting symbol. There's a sum connecting the first two logs. So this is the first property that we apply. So this plus means that we have to use the product rule of logarithms, and so using the product rule in reverse, this becomes logarithm base a of x times y. Okay, we still have this minus log base a of y. Okay, so moving from left to right, first we apply the plus or the product rule, and then second, now we have this negative sign which indicates a quotient um, rule. So using the quotient rule in reverse, we can write this as a single logarithm of a fraction. So we write the fraction part. The first part will be the numerator, so this logarithm xy would be in the top, and then the second part on the right will be the denominator, so m will be the denominator. And so writing this as a single logarithm, we have this. Okay, now for the part B, notice there are these numbers multiplying the log. So this number 2, when we start condensing, we have to take this 2 and make it a power. So by the power rule, this will be equals to log base 2 of z plus 1 squared. Okay, for now we ignore this plus, so we have plus log base 2 of 3z plus 2. Okay, now once we get rid of these numbers multiplying the logs, you don't have to use the power rule anymore. Now what we do is we start looking at these connecting symbols, pluses and minuses. Here there's only a plus, so for this we have to use the product rule, and when using the product in reverse, we take two logs and we just write one logarithmic function, and then in this case we're going to multiply z plus 1 squared times and then this second part 3z plus 2 will be our new will be part of our new logarithmic expression. Okay, so this is the answer, and this is how you guys condense logarithmic expressions.